Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to HomeAdvisor, the typical range for roof replacement costs is between $5,100 and $10,000, but roof replacement can be as low as $1,200 or as high as $30,000. Many roofing companies will charge between $3.50 and $5 per square foot.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Homeowners with wood shake roofs should expect them to last about 30 years, while fiber cement shingles last about 25 years and asphalt shingle composition roofs last about 20 years, the NAHB found. Climate and weather conditions, such as snow, hail and hurricanes, can cut the lifespan of all types of roofs. 24 May 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.